Hello guys, welcome to EduTap. First of all, happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. Now yesterday PFRDA phase 2 results have been announced. Actually, they have not been announced officially on the website, but candidates have received interview call letters, those who have been shortlisted for the interview. Website पे क्यों नहीं आया है, I don't know. Might be कि कुछ शायद एक दो छुट्टियां चल रही हो and they will put on the website very soon. ठीक है, but since the interview call letters are already out, have already been sent to the students, let's see what are the details about that. So interviews are going to start on 24th of Jan as per the details we have got from our students. ठीक है, शायद किसी के इससे पहले भी हो तो प्लीज कमेंट करके बताइएगा, बट एज पर माय इंटरेक्शन विद द स्टूडेंट्स दोज हु हैव गॉट इंटरव्यू कॉल लेटर्स 24 Jan is the earliest date on which the interview is scheduled. And interviews are going to be held in person. Online interviews नहीं हो रहे हैं because in the interview letter it is mentioned that you have to report at a particular location. So they are going to be in person, physical interviews हो रहे हैं. And just a reminder, your interview will have a 15% weightage. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, but do not take it lightly. ठीक है. So mock interview जरूर दीजिएगा, and we have a mock interview panel, very experienced panel at EduTap, CGMs and GMs of RBI, NABARD and SEBI, very experienced. They are going to grill you out. They are going to give you some good feedback, good suggestions which can help you in your actual interview. ठीक है. तो if you want to register for mock interviews, go to the link in the description of this video and click there to register for the mock interviews. ठीक है. बाकी पढ़ना क्या है गाइज, इन एवरी इंटरव्यू द फर्स्ट स्टेप दैट यू शुड बी श्योर ऑफ इज योर बायोडेटा फॉर्म. Till now they have not asked you to fill any biodata form. Maybe they will ask you, maybe they don't, but still, I mean, in an interview they will always ask you about your graduation, about your hobbies, achievements, your work experience. So be clear on those areas. Try to frame maximum questions that can be asked, because you know yourself, so you can better frame the questions that can be asked from you, and try to have some balanced answers for those questions, honest answers for those questions. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. Maybe involve your friends, involve your family, and ask them to ask as many questions they can ask from you from your biodata. ठीक है. Next, functions and working of PFRDA and pension sector. So we need not forget that this job is about PFRDA. So we shall be very thorough about what are the functions and how does PFRDA works. PFRDA की क्या responsibilities हैं, क्या functional areas हैं, what are the departments it is having, what are the various positions it is having, what are the roles and responsibilities associated with the position for which you are being hired. That should be very much clear to you. And then you should also be aware about the pension sector. As in India, if I ask you what is the penetration of say pension accounts, you should be knowing about that. What are the challenges? What are the steps that have been taken by the government till now? What are the reforms that you foresee in future? What is the way forward? You shall be clear on all these aspects. You should have a good opinion, good analytical opinion on various challenges, problems that are being faced in the pension sector. There can be a discussion on that. ठीक है. और पेंशन सेक्टर में आप NPS, अटल पेंशन योजना, EPF, ये स्कीम्स अच्छे से पढ़ के जाइएगा. They can question you on that. And always have opinion, analytical opinion even on these pension schemes. कि NPS क्या क्या स्टेटस है इंडिया में, why it is not able to make breakthrough. NPS का हमारे रूरल इंडिया में क्या पेनिट्रेशन है, what are the problems, challenges associated with NPS that you should be aware of. NPS and APY are the two flagship pension schemes that are being managed by PFRDA. ठीक है. ये कुछ वेबसाइट्स हैं that can be handy in your preparation. PFRDA की वेबसाइट है, then NPS Trust which manages NPS. This website is also handy, is having a lot of information regarding NPS. Then there is pensionersportal.gov.in. This website is also having a lot of information related to pension, because before NPS this was the main website which was driving the pension sector in India. तो ये वेबसाइट से आप अच्छे से जाइए. इनफैक्ट यू कैन इवन विजिट EPFO वेबसाइट. ठीक है. और PFRDA की वेबसाइट पे PFRDA की एनुअल रिपोर्ट है that can tell you a lot about PFRDA and pension sector, and within pension sector particularly about NPS and APY. Lot of data, lot of analysis can be gauged from these reports. तो इन वेबसाइट्स को अच्छे से चार्ट लीजिएगा. ठीक है. I repeat, चार्ट लीजिएगा. Then current affairs of the pension sector, as in recently, I think 3-4 months back, they increased the entry age in NPS from 65 to 70. So this is one of the major happenings with respect to NPS, which is a flagship scheme of PFRDA. तो ये क्यों किया गया, इसका क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा, अच्छा या बुरा, ठीक है, इसके अलावा और क्या मेजर्स थे जो लिए जा सकते थे जो नहीं लिए गए, ये सारी चीजें आपको समझनी होगी. अगेन, डू नो अबाउट द करंट अफेयर्स, बट देन गो डीपर टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दैट हैपनिंग. ठीक है, उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट है, अच्छा इम्पैक्ट क्या है, बुरा इम्पैक्ट क्या है, उसके पीछे क्या रीजंस हैं, दैट यू शुड बी एबल टू क्लियरली कम्युनिकेट. ठीक है, आई थिंक इतना बहुत है गाइस, ज़्यादा पैनिक मत कीजिएगा. ठीक है, इतना पढ़िए और मॉक इंटरव्यूज में ट्राई टू गिव योर बेस्ट, दैट विल गिव यू लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस बिफोर द एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू, और थोड़े इजी रहिएगा. ठीक है, बेस्ट ऑफ लक. कोई भी क्वेरी है तो आप hello@edutab.co.in पे ईमेल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, और इस मॉक इंटरव्यू के लिए रजिस्टर करना मत भूलिएगा. हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय बाय.